explorers, welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let us begin with the chapter number 15 of grammar, and the name of the chapter is conjunctions, right? So, what are conjunctions? We all are aware about it, but let me tell you in a brief very quickly. So, conjunctions are basically the words that are used to join either the words, the group of words, or the sentences as well, right? So, conjunctions इन सभी चीज़ों को join करने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं. And because they help us to join the words, the group of words, or the sentences, they are also known as the joining words, right? So, let us begin with the chapter now and see what they are telling us more about the conjunctions, right? So, first of all, they say conjunctions are words that join two or more words or sentences together. तो conjunctions ऐसे words हैं जो join करते हैं दो या फिर दो से ज़्यादा words या फिर sentences को एक साथ, right? झिलमिल is a sincere student. कि झिलमिल जो है वो एक sincere student है. बादल is a sincere student too. So, अब ये दोनों ही sentences हैं तो बिल्कुल same. Let's say, so it becomes Jhalmil and Badal are sincere students, right? Next, Jhalmil reads only mysteries. Badal is fond of historical fiction. तो यहाँ पर दोनों ही sentences बिल्कुल अलग है. How we can connect these sentences? So it is Jhalmil reads only mysteries while Badal is fond of historical fictions. Right? Now, the next thing we have the coordinate and subordinate clauses. तो अब ये coordinate और subordinate clauses क्या है? Let's see. Clauses that are joined by a coordinating conjunction are known as coordinate clauses. तो clauses जो कि join किए जाते हैं coordinating conjunctions के through, they are known as the coordinate clauses. उन्हें हम coordinate clauses के नाम से जानते हैं, right? These clauses express ideas of equal importance and thus can stand independently. तो ये जो clauses हैं ये express करते हैं ideas जो कि equal importance के हो, right? और ये अपने आप independently भी stand ले सकते हैं, अपना meaning complete कर सकते हैं, right? So, Vikram climbed onto the board and dived into the pool, right? Next, these clauses usually use coordinating conjunctions to show similarity, alternative, reason and contrast. अब कुछ clauses usually coordinating conjunctions को use करते हैं ताकि वो similarity दिखा सकें आपस में, alternatives, reason या फिर contrast show कर सके, right? So it is Rizan has suggested attending a talk about culture and Vikram has suggested attending a talk about globalization similarity, right? Vandana could have oil paint or she could have used watercolor. Farida will be taking dance classes this winter so she can participate in the competition next year, right? This is the reason. A clause which begins with a subordinating conjunction is a subordinating clause. तो अब जो clauses subordinating conjunction से start किए जाते हैं उन्हें subordinate clause कहा जाता है. The subordinate clause depends on the main clause for meaning. कि जो subordinate clause है वो depend करता है main clause पर अपने meaning को पूरा करने के लिए, right? And cannot stand alone as an independent sentence. और वो खुद ब खुद एक independent sentence की तरह stand नहीं ले सकता है. It is incomplete without the main sentence. Since Vikram is a good swimmer, he experiments with several strokes. Subordinate clauses are of various types. तो ये जो subordinate clauses हैं ये बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरीकों के होते हैं. Conditional, time, cause and place. Right? Accordingly, these clauses use subordinating conjunctions of condition, time, cause and place. और इसीलिए ये clauses use करते हैं subordinating conjunctions of condition, time, cause and place. Right? So, unless the student takes prior permission, she cannot take long leave. तो ये है condition. As soon as Saina Nehwal came out of the airport, the journalist rushed towards her. Since Diwali is next week, we made candles at home. This is a cause. Whenever she goes, Mickey's cat follows her. Right? Next. So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all are clear with the conjunctions and its kinds as well. So, that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.